Hello, everyone. I'm Sebastian Builes, co-founder and CEO of Arcom. I often get asked some practical advice on how can acquirers maximize their merchant retention. I like to think in terms of framework. And what we like to use in here is the identify, engage, and retain framework. Well, if I am a merchant acquirer and I have hundreds of stores in my merchant portfolio, let's say thousands in this case, how do I know who to reach out? Who may be having problems? Who may be unhappy? And who should I prioritize this month? Well, let's say, for example, we want to identify who those customers are. Well, we have to begin with data, customer information, right? So we can utilize transactional information, support ticket information, and terminal or product information. Now, all of this information may lie in different systems, which we require to bring together so that we can build a machine learning model to identify which ones of these accounts may be at risk of attriting. If I don't have the technical expertise to build a machine learning model, I can go and build something simpler, like a rule-based system telling me when a merchant's volume is deviating from the norm. Now, those are not as effective as machine learning models, but it's a lot better than reaching out to every single account that I have in my portfolio, especially when those are thousands of accounts. Now, once I identify those accounts that are experiencing issues or might be unhappy, I then engage them in a hyper-personalized manner. What do I mean by that? We can call them, we can email them, and we can even visit them to ensure that there is no issues. This engagement part is critical because we're not coming to the store and saying, hey, I know you're experiencing issues, let me solve them, right? Instead, we're approaching it from a courtesy outreach perspective, meaning, hey, customer, how are you doing? I'm just checking on you to see if you're having a smooth payments experience with us. At that point, the client will let us know exactly what their issue is, and we can then solve them, which leads us to our last point, retaining. If we can identify these issues far in advance, provide solutions proactively, then we can ensure that our merchants are retained for longer. Just got an Arcom alert telling me that Urban Woo is at risk of leaving. I'm going to check them out. Be right back.